Welcome to the training for the Zemits CellTite, a revolutionary microcurrent therapy device developed for both aesthetic professionals and home use. Today, we'll guide you through the first use, preparation, and treatment protocols to ensure you get the best results from your Zemits CellTite. The Zemits CellTite enhances skin firmness and elasticity through advanced microcurrent therapy, promoting a more lifted and rejuvenated appearance. Its non-invasive design ensures a comfortable treatment experience, making it ideal for both at-home and professional use. Step 1. Powering on and intensity settings. Fully charge your CellTite device before using it for the first time. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. Press the power button again to adjust the intensity level from 1 to 3. Start at level 1 and gradually increase based on your comfort. Red, low intensity. Blue, moderate intensity. Green, strong intensity. For enhanced results, activate the vibration mode by pressing the bottom button. Step 2. Treatment protocol. Cleanse the face. Ensure the client's skin is thoroughly cleansed before beginning the treatment. Apply conductive gel. Ensure the conductive gel covers the treatment area throughout the entire procedure. Jawline. Toning. Position the Zemits CellTite device on the jawline. Slowly glide the device from the cheekbone near the nose to the lower ear. Repeat this motion 5 times, with each glide taking 5 to 7 seconds to tone and define the jawline. Nasolabial fold. Reduction. Focusing on the nasolabial fold. Position the device near the nasolabial fold. Slowly glide the device from the cheekbone to the ear. Repeat 5 times, with each glide taking 5 to 7 seconds, to reduce the appearance of nasolabial folds. Step 3. Forehead and eyebrow. Lifting. Lifting brows. Position the device under the brow and perform upward motions to lift the eyebrow. For additional lift, position the device above the brow and glide it toward the hairline. Repeat each movement 5 times, with each glide taking 5 to 7 seconds. Eye area. Position the device on the orbital bone and perform light, circular motions under the eyes. Repeat the process for 3 minutes around each eye to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Step 4. Lip treatment. Position the device at the center of the lips. Gently move the device outward in flicking motions. Repeat for 3 to 5 minutes to enhance lip contour and smooth fine lines. After completing the treatment, gently wipe off any remaining gel from the skin. Apply a mask, serum, or cream suitable for your skin type to enhance the treatment results and provide nourishment. You may choose the product based on your skin's needs for optimal post-treatment care. If you're using the Zemits CellTite device at home, the treatment protocol remains the same. Simply follow the same steps. Cleanse your face thoroughly. Apply the conductive gel to the treatment areas. Follow the steps for jawline toning, nasolabial fold reduction, forehead and eyebrow lifting, eye area treatment, and lip treatment as described above. By repeating this protocol at home, you can achieve professional-level results in the comfort of your own space. Better results. Tip: use the Zemits SonoSilk Ultrasound Skin Scrubber once or twice a week to exfoliate your skin and enhance the results of the CellTite device. Thank you for watching this training video. We trust you'll love your Zemits CellTite device and experience exceptional results.